Hey, crypto crew! Welcome back to Channel Name, where we dive into the future of finance and tech. The United Arab Emirates is leading the charge in crypto adoption, and now you can book flights with Bitcoin, Ether, and more. In this video, we're breaking down the step-by-step process to book a flight in the UAE using crypto, plus tips to avoid pitfalls. Whether you're a digital nomad or just curious, this guide's for you. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's soar into this crypto travel revolution. The UAE is a global crypto hub, and its travel industry is all in. In July 2025, Emirates partnered with Crypto.com to enable crypto payments for flights starting in 2026. Air Arabia, Travala, and alternative airlines are already accepting digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and stablecoins. Why? It's about flexibility, lower fees, and appealing to tech-savvy travelers. Dubai's Vara is paving the way, with plans for crypto-based loyalty programs and blockchain ticketing. This is huge, but it's not without risks. Crypto's volatility and transaction fees can trip you up if you're not careful. We'll walk you through how to book flights securely and smartly, using platforms like Travala for our example. Let's get to the steps. Here's how to book a flight with crypto in the UAE, step by step, using Travala as an example. Don't worry, other platforms like alternative airlines or Destinia follow a similar process. Step 1. Choose a crypto-friendly platform. Pick a platform that supports crypto payments. Travala, alternative airlines, and Destinia cover UAE airlines like Emirates and Air Arabia. For Emirates, crypto payments via Crypto.com Pay start in 2026, but platforms like alternative airlines let you book Emirates flights now with over 100 cryptos, including BTC, ETH, and USDT. Step 2. Select flight details. Enter your destination, travel dates, and preferences. Filter by price, airline, or layovers to find the best fit. Travala, for instance, offers over 600 airlines, including UAE-based carriers like Etihad. Step 3. Choose crypto at checkout. At checkout, select the cryptocurrency option. Travala offers cryptocurrency transfer, Crypto.com Pay, or Binance Pay. Pick your preferred method, say USDT for stability or BTC for flexing your crypto stack. Step 4. Connect your crypto wallet. Click Complete Reservation and select your payment method. You'll be prompted to connect your wallet like MetaMask or Crypto.com. Scan a QR code or approve a notification to initiate the payment. Step 5. Authorize the payment. Log into your wallet, verify the amount, and confirm the transaction. Stablecoins like USDT or USDC are preferred for quick settlements and low volatility. Double-check the amount to avoid overpaying due to market swings. Step 6. Receive your e-ticket. Once the transaction's confirmed, you'll get your e-ticket via email or the platform's dashboard. Done! You're ready to fly crypto style. That's the process, but let's talk strategy to make it smooth and cost-effective. Crypto bookings are convenient, but you need to play it smart. Here are 4 key tips to nail it. Tip 1. Watch exchange rates and fees. Crypto prices like Bitcoin at $118,000 or Ether at $4,462 can fluctuate wildly. Check real-time rates on platforms like CoinMarketCap before paying. Also compare transaction fees. Bitcoin's network fees can spike during congestion, while stablecoins like USDT are cheaper. Tip 2. Use trusted platforms. Stick to regulated platforms like Travala or alternative airlines, which use secure gateways like Crypto.com Pay. Avoid sketchy sites to protect your funds. Tip 3. Time your payment. Crypto's volatile. Bitcoin could drop 5% while you're booking. Use stablecoins like USDT or USDC to lock in value, or wait for a stable market day. Tip 4. Keep records. Save your receipts, blockchain transaction IDs, and booking confirmations. Refunds are tricky with crypto, no chargebacks like credit cards. These records are your lifeline for disputes or cancellations. These tips are crucial, especially since crypto payments are irreversible. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. The UAE's crypto travel boom is just starting. Emirates' 2026 rollout with Crypto.com will support over 30 currencies, including BTC, ETH, and CRO. Air Arabia's AE coin ties payments to the dirham, making it seamless for locals. Platforms like Travala offer rewards like up to 10% cashback in AVA tokens for premium members. Ex-users are hyped. Eco and Telegraph called the UAE a torchbearer for crypto travel. But there's skepticism too. Some worry about volatility and refund issues since crypto payments can't be reversed. Here's the critical take. Crypto's fast and borderless, but volatility and lack of chargebacks are real risks. The UAE's betting big on blockchain, but will travelers trust it over traditional payments? Only time will tell. Ready to book your next flight with crypto? Check out Travala or alternative airlines for instant bookings, or wait for Emirates' 2026 launch. Links are in the description. Want to weigh in? Are you booking with BTC or sticking to fiat? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, crypto travelers. The UAE's leading the way, but stay sharp with your bookings. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto and tech guides. Catch you on the blockchain, or at 30,000 feet.